Are you looking for the best living room tables in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best living room tables.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the RUSTOWN Farmhouse Round Coffee Table Set. The RUSTOWN Farmhouse Round Coffee Table Set of 2 features a vintage farmhouse design with a unique vintage ring screw thread on the surface. It is made of high-quality and durable material, including pine wood board, MDF board for strengthening, and iron legs. The set includes a large coffee table and a small side table, both suitable for various rooms in your home. The installation process is easy and hardware and instructions are included in the package. Moving on at number 4, we have the BELLEZE Modern Wood Coffee Table. This minimalist modern furniture features a double-layer open design with a spacious tabletop and bottom shelf, blending well with any living room, office, or reception room. Made of MDF and practical board, it is sturdy and reliable. With easy maintenance, you can clean it in 1 minute. Also, it offers a 100-day return guarantee if you are not satisfied. At number 3, we have the ChooChoo Oxford Coffee Table. The ChooChoo Oxford Coffee Table is a sturdy and durable table made of hardwood, natural rubber wood, pine, and MDF. It features a unique X design that provides both stability and a bold modern vibe, making it perfect for both traditional and modern spaces. The table also has a 2-tier shelf for extra storage space. Assembly is made easy with step-by-step instructions and numbered parts. Overall, this coffee table is a great addition to any living room. At number 2, we have the AMERLIFE 4-piece living room table set. The AMERLIFE 4-piece living room table set is built to last with high-grade wooden boards and 1.6-inch thick legs. The set features a rustic industrial accent with a walnut-finished, gray wash wood and X-shaped frame, perfect for any farmhouse-style decor. The spacious tabletop and open lower shelf provide ample storage for books, magazines, and other living room essentials. This multi-purpose set can be used in the living room, bedroom, lounge, or entryway. And finally at number 1, we have the HOOBRO Set of 2 end tables. The HOOBRO Set of 2 end tables with charging station is a helper for cable management, providing separate space to organize your little things conveniently and safely. It is child-friendly with a charging area under the desktop and a spill-proof design. The charging station includes 2 3-prong outlets and 2 USB ports, with sufficient spacing to use multiple plugs simultaneously. It is versatile and easy to assemble with numbered accessories and installation tools, and 4 adjustable feet ensure stability and floor protection.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.